Hello everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Welcome back to my channel, Grace Harton. I just want to share what happened to my GCash, okay? I can open my GCash 10 days, okay? It's something happened. It shows in my screen failed login attempt. Okay, so I want to share with you how I open my GCash again. So first, ang ginawa ko, kahit manood ako ng tutorial sa YouTube at saka mag-search ako sa Google, hindi ko pa rin siya mabuksan. Ganun laging lumalabas sa screen, failed login attempt. So, ganito yung ginawa ko. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds. And then, off again. Okay? And then, I'll go to settings, apps management, search GCash, and then clear cache, clear data, uninstall. And then make sure you have a data to your phone. Okay, make sure you have data because you need to turn off off your Wi-Fi and use the data. Okay, and then go to your Play Store, search GCash, and then install again. Make sure you have data to use, okay? And then, pag na-install mo na yung GCash, i-open mo na, and then, put your password, of course, okay? And then, after that, may lumabas na permission accept. So, I didn't accept. Okay, I click the decline. Okay, then after that, malalabas na mag-i-scan ka na ng face mo. At yun na. Pag na-scan mo na yung face mo, ayun, ilalagay mo na yung password mo. And then, ganun ko siya na-recover. Ganun ko na-recover yung aking GCash. Okay? Sana makatulong. Salamat. Thank you for watching.